How bizarre. How bizarre. Oh my gosh. And the brush is skinny. Whoa. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing okay. I've just sat down to film and I'm pretty sure I just had a delivery driver close his van door outside. Maybe it was a false alarm. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing some viral makeup products that I've mostly seen on Instagram and TikTok. If you don't follow my Instagram and TikTok, my Instagram is just @Soph, my TikTok is @SophDoesLife. I mean, you don't have to. They're there if you want to. And this all stemmed from that L'Oreal mascara. I think it's called the L'Oreal Telescopic. Hang on, I've literally got it here. What is it called? L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This has been around for years, I'm pretty sure, but I've never tried it. And suddenly this is blown up on TikTok, so I thought I'd better try it. Then I also asked you guys on my Instagram for some more products that you wanted me to test that were viral. And I had quite a few of them already, so I thought, you know what? I'm just going to film this today for today's video because, well, to be honest, I couldn't think of another video idea, so. It's the first product that I'm going to test. I'm actually quite surprised that I've not tried this already because people have been banging on about this primer for the past 6 months. Yeah. It's been out for quite some time, but they've since released different versions. So this is the e.l.f. Putty Primer. They've got the original, which is the Poreless Putty Primer. They've got a Luminous Putty Primer, and they've also got a Matte Putty Primer. And these three actually come in a little set. I'm not gonna lie, I did think they were gonna be a little bit bigger. But for these three in the UK, it's £9, whereas just the big ones by themselves are £8 individually. So I think today I'm gonna try the original on half my face and the matte on the other side of my face, just to see if there's much difference. They are really weird consistency primers that are kind of solid in here. And then let's see what the luminous one feels like. Oh wow, okay, the luminous one has actually got shimmer in it. I mean, you can kind of see the shimmers a little bit, but I reckon if you've got foundation on, you probably wouldn't be able to see it. So this is what the primer looks like. And then if I just dig my nail in here, did that really do anything? It's like a really strange texture. How bizarre. How bizarre. Oh, you know what? That actually feels really nice. But people have been raving about this because it's supposed to smooth your pores. So let's see if it does that. So this is my skin before. As you can probably see, I'm a very pory kind of person. And I have a lot of big pores on my nose, around my nose, like on my cheeks here. So this is my skin before. You know what? While I'm this close, let's take a bit of the normal primer. Let's see. Did that smooth my pores at all? I don't feel like that did a whole lot to this side of my face. Let me just put on a little bit more. It's kind of tricky to do with my nails, but let's just put this all over this half of my face. So the original one is actually for normal skin. I do have more oily skin, but I thought that it was going to be a little bit more mattifying, but it actually feels a little bit sort of slippery still. Honestly, looking in a mirror close up, I don't think that's done anything for my pores whatsoever. It kind of just looks the same as the other side. I'm sad. I've seen people try this and it's like almost got rid of their pores. Why has it not worked for me? I mean, it feels quite nice. It feels like an all right primer, but yeah, I was expecting my pores to disappear. Let's try the Matte Putty Primer on the other side. I have higher hopes for this one. Please work. So. You're right. Ooh. Maybe I'm supposed to kind of push it in rather than blend it. I don't know. To me, that doesn't look very matte. It looks kind of the same. Right, let's try a little bit on my forehead. In all honesty, it kind of feels really similar to the other one. Actually, you know what? This one definitely does feel more matte. Now that I've just blended that in, I think you can can you even see a difference? I don't know if you can. This one definitely feels nicer. I prefer the feeling of this one. It doesn't feel as oily. My skin feels a little bit sort of tacky. Let's just put this all over my nose. I don't really know what I think. I mean, this side definitely worked better, but I still wouldn't say that it's drastically smoothed my pores. I guess it just depends how many pores you have on your skin and how big they are and how obvious they are. But I mean, you can still definitely see mine on both sides, I think. This side is just the tiniest bit better. I'm gonna go in with my foundation and see how this sits on top of it to see how it works as a primer. This is the L'Oreal True Match in 2N. Oh wow, okay. Right, I will say this, my foundation has just gone on beautifully. I do really like this foundation and I usually use it with any of my other primers, but I would say on this side, the pores around my nose aren't as obvious as usual. Yeah, my nose is looking more flawless than it usually does when I put my foundation on. I feel like my foundation hasn't sunk into my pores as much. Okay, so I have to say, it's a nice primer. My foundation has gone on really nicely over the top of it, but don't expect it to do miracles. It's not as good as the people on TikTok make it out to be. People over there were making out as if it like literally deletes your pores. If you do have big pores, it's not going to do that, but I would say that it's a nice primer. My foundation's gone on really smoothly, so kind of mixed with that one. I would use it again and I will continue to test it and try it, but I'd say for me I definitely prefer the matte one. I'm just gonna catch my makeup up to speed and then we will go on to the eyes. And that's my attempt to try and match the rest of my body. So the first product, the e.l.f. Putty Primers, I would probably give 7 out of 10. Moving on to the next product, so quite a few of you said the Charlotte Tilbury Jewel Pots, and I don't know why. I guess because maybe I search for makeup quite a lot and maybe because I like these posts. I'm constantly getting adverts for Charlotte Tilbury on my Instagram, and I have done a full video testing Charlotte Tilbury before, but I didn't have these jewel pots at the time. I don't think they were out, and I will put a little video or a picture of the ad on the screen right now because these jewel pots look incredible. Even the packaging is beautiful. This is the shade Pillow Talk, which is Charlotte's classic shade in everything in the lip products, and I think there's a Pillow Talk blush. I mean, these are expensive for a single individual eyeshadow. They have a little stopper thing in them to keep them fresh. So this is £24 for an individual eyeshadow, which is a lot. In here, there seems to be pink, gold and rose gold glitters. And it does look very pretty. Looks kind of wet looking. So I'm actually going to try this with a brush first, just to see if it works with a brush, because a lot of the time, well, I don't know, cream products are different, I guess. Wow, okay, I've loaded up quite a lot on my brush. Moment of truth, am I going to look like a Charlotte Tilbury model? Okay, okay, wow, okay, wow, okay, wow, okay, wow, okay, wow. Oh my gosh. And like she seems to do with her models, I'm literally going to use this as my only eyeshadow all over my lid so we can get the full effect. Okay, well it is very beautiful and it's very sparkly. Can you see that? I just kind of whacked it all over my eyelid. I mean, it is very pretty. Let's try the other side with my finger, although I can't fit my fingers in here because of my fucking nails. Okay, I've got a little bit. Ooh. I think I picked up more product with my brush. Maybe stick with a brush if you do have long nails. I'm gonna put a little bit just on my lower lash line as well. You know what? There is actually fallout. Some of the glitter's coming off on my face because it's not super creamy feeling. It kind of feels like a cream to matte. So I literally have just put this all over my eyelids. I know it probably looks a bit shit, but they are very pretty. And as you can see, they've got a lot of sparkle and shine in them. Does it just kind of look like I've got pink eye? Maybe it does. I like how they're multi-tonal and it's got quite a few different colours of glitter in there. It's not just like one all over shade of rose gold. It's got gold, it's got pink, it's got rose gold, like little bits of glitter in it. Hopefully you can kind of see that. However, just because it's cream, don't expect it to not have any fallout because I definitely do have a few bits of glitter just chilling on the rest of my face. Around my nose. I mean, they haven't stuck to me because they're kind of dry, which is odd. And they have all just completely brushed away. But yeah, a few bits of those glitter did fall down onto the rest of my face. So that is just something to be wary of. It is definitely very pretty. I like the different colours of glitter in it and it definitely gives you that kind of wow. Is it worth £24? To be honest, I'm not 100% sure. I've probably got similar eyeshadows to this from Colourpop that are around half the price and maybe even a quarter of the price and do a similar kind of job. If you are a Charlotte Tilbury makeup fan or you know someone who is a Charlotte Tilbury makeup fan, it is a nice product, but it didn't blow me away enough to get me to go out and buy another one when this runs out, you know. So the next product is kind of the star of this video. Actually, that's a lie. I've got the new Fenty lip creams. Give me a minute. But this was the reason for this whole video. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Intensive, that's in French, magnifies at the base of lashes and lengthens to the extreme. Precision multi-comb. So the packaging is pretty basic. It's just gold plastic. And the brush is skinny. Look at the brush. It's so skinny. It's quite a flexible brush as well. Oh, and this is the magnetic black one. I'm not sure what the difference is between magnetic black and normal black, who knows. So let's try it on this eye. Oh, okay, it really grips my lash hairs a lot in those bristles. Ah, I've got it in my hair. You know what is really sad? My lashes just are not what they used to be. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still pretty happy with my eyelashes, but I look back on some of my old videos and I'm like, how are my eyelashes like that? Okay, so far I'm noticing it's definitely very separating. It's not giving me a massive amount of volume, but then this is a lengthening mascara. Let's keep wiggling. Oh wow. I love how much it's gripping my lashes. Okay, well it's definitely lengthened them a lot. That's kind of like the first coat. What I normally do is go in onto my second eye and then I keep kind of switching back between the two of them, building them up until they're how I want. Quite like the skinny brush, you know. Definitely makes it a little bit less messy. It really grips your lashes and gets them all stuck in there. Just adding more layers. Oh, hello you. My lashes are looking pretty damn good, I will say. I love how separating the brush is. Because it is so skinny, you can really get up here in your root. You know what, guys? It's a really good mascara. I'm pretty sure this mascara's been out for like 10 plus years. How am I only just trying it now? My lashes look great. Look at these. I am happy with that. I know that some people might find this a bit too clumpy for them, but I did build it up quite a lot. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. Very, very nice. And it's only £10. Can't go wrong. Right, so the final product. This sound has been all over my TikTok as an ad for the past like 3 days straight. And it is the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Creams. They have their own song on TikTok. These are new in from Fenty, and I did actually get sent these this morning, and it says on here, check out the Fenty Beauty TikTok page for our custom gloss bomb audio clip. So it's a gloss, but they have got full colour, so it's like a full pigment gloss bomb cream. It says they can be worn alone or as a topper. Gloss stays ultra shiny without feeling sticky all day. So thank you so much, Fenty, for sending these over. I can't actually quite believe that I'm on Fenty's PR list, but I mean, I'll take it. So I have got, oh, the names. Honey Waffles Cookie Jar, Fruit Snacks with a Z, and Mauve Wives. I want to smell them. I just want to smell them. I just want to smell them. This one is Mauve Wives. This would go nice with my eyes. However, is this a colour I'd wear again? Probably not. Oh, sad. They don't smell like the other Fenty Beauty glosses. They smell more like fruit than like vanilla. Which one shall I do? I kind of want to do one of the browns. Honey Waffles. Oh my god. You know what? These kind of smell like apricot yogurt. It smells kind of like a frube. They smell nice, but they don't smell like the original Fenty Gloss Bombs. Fruit Snacks. Oh! Okay, I'm doing this one. I'm doing that one. I thought it was going to be purple from the picture on the box, but it's more of a red. Or should I do the dark brown? Hot cocoa. Oh my god. This also looks stunning. Let's try this one on first, which is called Hot... Oh, am I okay? It's called Cookie Jar. I swear I just said it was called Hot Cocoa. Where did I get that name from? Because this is definitely called Cookie Jar. I don't even know, but I'm going to put it on my lips. Let me just get off my lip balm. Oh. Oh wow. Oh god. Okay, I've got too much product on there. You get a lot of product on the dough foot. Ooh. So it's a little bit tricky to apply just because when you kind of push down on the applicator, the product almost spills over a little bit. So I would definitely recommend using a lip liner with these. I can't tell whether or not I really like this colour or whether it just kind of looks like I've eaten some Nutella and smeared it all around my mouth. But they did say it was not sticky. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels really nice. It feels really moisturising actually. It's probably not the type of product that I'd reach for super often just because it was a little bit harder to apply. Because it is a full pigment gloss, you have to be careful where you put it. You can't just like slap it on like your normal average lip gloss, but it is really pretty. I actually really like this colour. I kind of don't want to take it off and try the other one, but then I also do really want to try the other one, so... Ugh! Oh god, that cotton pad has just got fluff all over my mouth. So I'm now going to try the shade Fruit Snacks. I do like the name of that, and this looks like the perfect, whoa, Christmassy sort of colour. I have just wiped off a lot of the product. Okay, this one's even harder to apply without a lip liner, because it has just kind of, the brush just kind of pushes the excess product to the edges. This one I don't think is as full pigment as the other one either. Yeah, it definitely hasn't come out as dark as it has in the tube. So I think I'm just going to apply a second coat. Literally all I'm thinking about with this is, yes, it looks beautiful, But how the hell are you gonna eat or drink anything with these on your lips? Or even just like if the wind blows one bit and gets stuck in your lipstick, it's gonna smear that all over your face. See, this is the thing, they look really pretty. I definitely feel like I have a lot on my lips with those 2 coats, and it will probably get on your teeth quite easily, and I reckon this is gonna be so easy to smudge. Imagine trying to eat a burger with this on your lips, or like eat an apple, or just anything, or take a sip of your drink and it will be all over the drink glass. So yeah, I don't know, I'm in 2 minds about them. I mean, it looks stunning for a picture or for a video, but would I wear this on the regular? Probably not. Oh, and I just realised I forgot to rate the rest of the products. The Charlotte Tilbury eye product, I'd probably give an 8 out of 10 just because it is very pretty, but the price kind of knocks it down a couple. The mascara, I'd say it's like a 9.5 out of 10. Not quite a 10 out of 10 because it's not as volumizing as normal, but it's made my lashes look really nice. And then the lip creams, again, I'd probably give like a 7 out of 10. Just losing a few points because they are quite impractical. But that is that. Those are the products. I would love to know what you guys think of these products. Have you tried them? Will you be trying them? Today's question comes from Raya H, and she said, "Hey Soph, I love your vids. Thank you very much." Or maybe it's Ria H. I'm sorry Ria or Raya. I'm sorry if I said your name wrong. And they have said, if you could go back in time and fix a mistake, which one would you choose? Have a great day. Thank you. I hope you have a great day too. If we're talking about my personal life, something has genuinely stuck with me since I was 12 that I have never forgotten, and I felt so bad for. Back when I was 12 years old, there was a girl that was trying to be best friends with my best friend Ellie, and I was jealous and I thought she was trying to steal my best friend away from me. So I wasn't very nice, and I made up a rumour about her, and honestly, I have regretted it every day since and felt so bad about it. I mean, it's all good now. It's all fine. I was 12. This was like half my life ago, but I still think about it. So don't make the decisions that I did. Don't be mean to people. I mean, it's all cool now. I was a child. But anyway, that's the mistake that I would change. If I could fix a mistake in the world, I would go back to maybe like last December. With the whole coronavirus, I would maybe just find that one person that had it first and just keep them detained for like 2 weeks in a room until they were better so that it didn't spread all over the whole world. And maybe I would like change some of our government's decisions to not be as chilled about it as they were. Because if I could go back and fix corona and stop it from spreading and ripping through the world, I would 100% do that. I would use that. Who wouldn't change that? Right, I'm gonna go edit this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm also gonna go take this gloss off so that I can go have some breadsticks and some alioli without getting crumbs in my mouth. In my mouth? Crumbs stuck in my gloss. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you're doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!